Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. India has a long history of holistic education. In ancient India, education was concerned not just with the acquisition of knowledge for living life in this world, but also for complete realization and liberation of the self from the worldly shackles. Education in India got enriched through the mixing of cultures that came to India from the invasions till the arrival of the British. Realizing the value of education as an important tool in life building and character building, several initiatives were taken post independence. Even today, many schemes and initiatives are launched by the government to promote education. Education has the power to make the world a better place. It is a tool to achieve prosperity, development, empowerment, freedom, and self reliance. It helps to develop foundational cognitive skills of literacy and numeracy, higher order cognitive skills of critical thinking and problem solving, and soft skills of cultural awareness, empathy, perseverance, grit, teamwork, and leadership. If education becomes inclusive, it becomes one of the most effective tools to promote a vibrant and tolerant society. The world is undergoing rapid changes. There is a sizable shift in the understanding of the world with the emergence of big data, machine learning, artificial intelligence, etc. The present world problems call for expertise in multiple disciplines. These disciplines particularly involve mathematics, computer science, data science in conjunction with subjects like humanities, social science, etc. With the quickly changing employment and global ecosystem, it becomes increasingly important for the children to be creative, multidisciplinary, and be adaptive and innovative. Keeping up with the fast changing world, the new education policy has been launched to provide accessible, equitable, and affordable education to all without any discrimination and consideration of their socio-economic background. The new education policy of 2020 is based on the following principles. Flexibility. It seeks to provide flexibility for learners to choose their learning trajectory and choose their path according to their own talents. Multidisciplinary, to provide holistic education across all spectrums such as science, social sciences, arts, humanities, sports, etc. Ethical and constitutional values. It aims to inculcate values of empathy, respect for others, cleanliness, etiquette, scientific temper, liberty, responsibility, equality, and justice. Equity and inclusion. It will be the aim of all educational decisions to ensure that all the students are able to thrive in the education system. Professional values. All the teachers and educators will be recruited through rigorous preparation. There will be emphasis on preparation, continuous professional development, positive working environment, and service development. Integrity and transparency. It seeks to ensure a transparent educational system while ensuring innovation and out-of-the-box ideas through autonomy, good governance, and empowerment. Continuous policy making. Policies to be based on regular assessments of realities on the ground, taking into account India's rich, diverse, ancient and modern culture and knowledge systems and traditions. Life skills. Focusing on building life skills such as cooperation, teamwork, communication, resilience, etc. Education as a fundamental right. Education is a public service and not a commercial activity. It should be available to all with adequate quality. There shall be a strong and sustainable investments in a vibrant public education system as well as an ethical and philanthropic private system. Thus, with the application of these principles, the policy aims to build a globally excellent education system rooted in Indian ethos and aligned with the goal of a brilliant India. This will transform India into a global superpower. The new policy aims to introduce several changes in the Indian education system from school to the college level. It includes revamping the following systems of education. The policy states that 85% of a child's brain development occurs prior to the age of 6 years. Thus, early childhood learning is of utmost priority. Early childhood care and education is the need of the hour. This early education and care will consist of flexible, multifaceted, multi-level, play-based, activity-based, and discovery-based learning. Stop.